These fighter jets didn't just fly, they changed the rules of war forever. F-22 Raptor, first flight 1997, service 2005. The F-22 Raptor, the king of stealth air superiority. It is nearly invisible to radar, and faster than most threats can react. Once it enters the sky, the battle is already over. F-35 Lightning II, first flight 2006, service 2015. The F-35 is not just a jet, it's a flying intelligence system. It collects data, tracks enemies, and shares information in real time. Modern warfare is built around it. Su-27 Flanker, first flight 1977, service 1985. The Su-27 Flanker, a Cold War legend built for dominance in the sky. It is famous for extreme agility and the impossible Cobra maneuver. MiG-29 Fulcrum, first flight 1977, service 1983. The MiG-29 is small, but incredibly aggressive in close combat. Built for speed and dogfights, it reacts like a predator in the sky. F-16 Fighting Falcon, first flight 1974, service 1978. The F-16, one of the most widely used fighter jets in history. Fast, cheap, and deadly, it has dominated skies for decades. Subscribe now and never miss the next top 5.